Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make a nice coconut rub fudge. I'm going to toast some shredded coconut. So be careful. I need a cup and a half of shredded coconut. Just put your griller on, put it underneath the griller, but be careful because it only takes 1 minute or 2 minutes just to toast it before it gets burnt. All I need to do is just slightly toast it, that's all. And I need a cup and a half. I have melted here in the saucepan, I have melted a tin of condensed milk and 2 of these slabs of 400 grams of cooking chocolate, and I've melted that all together. And so I've melted that all together. Look, it's nice and melted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my shredded toasted coconut to it. I've lined a tin of 22 by 20 centimeters. That's plenty. This is lovely because you can just cut a piece every time you want it, and I love coconut roughs. So look, I'm going to add a cup and a half of, I'm going to save a little bit because I'm going to put some of this shredded coconut on the top. So I'm going to put about a cup and a half in this condensed and chocolate mixture here. Look, just put it all together. I've melted that condensed milk and that chocolate so quickly, and it's so lovely. I love coconut, and these coconut roughs are going to be beautiful. You can sit down at night time watching TV and cut yourself a piece of this, which is lovely. Look, that lovely shredded coconut through that chocolate is beautiful. And I've kept a little bit because I'm going to pour some of this on the top. Just going to put it all over the top. That was lovely, quick, something quick, a nice coconut chocolate rough. Now all we've got to do is pour that in line your tin with a baking paper. This will set in the fridge for about 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. Just pour that all in, and that'll be beautiful. Nice piece of chocolate you can cut off at night time when you want a piece of chocolate. I'm going to get something to stir that up with. I love chocolate. I love chocolate roughs and coconut. Just spread that all in there like that. Oh, that's sticky. It sets very quickly, so it's getting pretty sticky. That's it. And just put some of that on the top more. That's it. It's all gone. Beautiful. Just spread that there in the dish like that. Now we're going to spread some nice of this lovely toasted coconut on the top. Look, that was quick. And this is so beautiful. Just cut a piece. When it's set, you cut yourself a piece of this lovely chocolate rough. Coconut chocolate rough. Beautiful fudge. Just spread that all on the top. You can spread as much as you want to. I've got plenty here. And that'll going to be setting down. And that'll set in your fridge for about 5 or 6 hours or overnight. And then cut it in pieces, and you can put it in a jar and then have yourself a little treat at night time when you're watching TV. So that was quick. I like this. It's very nice to make. A tin of condensed milk, 400 grams of cooking chocolate, just melt it, toast your coconut, your shredded coconut. Be careful when you put this underneath the grill because it just cooks very quickly, so just watch it. It only takes about a minute or two. And then just spread it in a dish like that, and that's all you do. So that was a quick one, okay? It's lovely, sweet coconut fudge. I hope you enjoyed and enjoy it, okay? Have a good day. Bye.